So when we talk about reduction techniques for concussions, they may not be as visible as some other things that we think about.
Some measurements you can take are to make sure your equipment is fitted properly. Also working on proper technique in football, seeing what you're tackling, and also in practices, using dummies for tackling, and in soccer, reducing the amount of headers that one does in practice.
What are some ways that we can reduce acute and chronic shoulder injuries?
Proper strength and conditioning through band work, specifically high reps, working on those internal and external rotations, scapular work, those shoulder blades in the back, but also looking down to the core, strengthening our core, our hips, make sure everything's nice and strong.
Knee injuries are quite devastating for young athletes. So what are some techniques we can do to help reduce our chances of having an acute knee injury?
Make sure they're using proper mechanics, hips, ankles, not only stretching, but also strengthening those areas. But also we want to look at landing technique, soft knees, knees over toes, no stiff ankles. Just make sure, again, that we're adequately warmed up.
What are some ways that our athletes can help prevent some of these ankle injuries?
Obviously, there's bracing, taping. We want to really try to focus on our plyometrics, our jumping, our landing, but also our balancing. A lot of athletes lack just the proper one-legged balance, but just in general, working on that balance will definitely help prevent those ankle injuries.
So we can't prevent all injuries in sport, but these techniques that Tim has talked to us about today are ways that we can help reduce the likelihood of being injured while we participate in sport.